What do you do when you're craving steak but aren't excited about the usual steak on the grill? You make these Korean steak kabobs, of course! Marinated in a simple but tasty combination of soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, honey, toasted sesame oil, and minced garlic, make your marinade and reserve half of it to later brush on the kabobs. When you're ready to grill, alternately thread the steak, bell pepper, and onion pieces onto skewers. With the marinade you use to marinate the steak, brush the kabobs to flavor boost the peppers and onions. Season and sprinkle with sesame seeds. Grill steak kabobs for 3 minutes per side or until desired doneness, then let these tasty treats rest for a few minutes. Brush with the reserved marinade and sprinkle with more sesame seeds. The sesame seeds will add a lovely little crunch to the tender steak, peppers, and onion. Serve immediately and get ready for family high fives and dinner accolades.